Hi friends. In this video I have got free courses from Google. Make sure to like and press bell icon so that you don't miss any notification whenever I upload a new video. So at first, let me show you how many courses here are. Some are paid, but I will tell you a trick how can you get them for free. You have courses related to Google Analytics, Data Studio, Android development, IT and automation, cloud fundamentals, and many, many more. Links for these will be in description box below. But first, see how to get redirected to these courses. After waiting for 5 seconds, just click back button on your phone to skip the ad, and you will be redirected to the course page. Courses on Coursera are paid, but let me show you how can you get them absolutely for free. Now let's see Google's free certification courses and how to enroll in them. Here are 2 special courses by Google on digital marketing and Google Suite, and you will get certification after completion. Let me show you how to enroll in these. At last but not the least, here are 100+ free courses by Google with no certificate. But will surely help you out. Links for all courses show in this video will be there in description box below. Hope you liked the video. If that's the case, then smash those buttons of bell icon and like. If possible, do share this video with your loved ones so that they can also enhance their skills this quarantine. Stay home, stay safe, and thanks for watching.